Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is salmon pasta with sun-dried tomato pesto. That's a large mouthful to say, but a tasty mouthful to eat. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. We're going to be making twice as much pesto as we need for this recipe because I'm going to use it on another recipe later in the week. But all you do to make the pesto is take all the pesto ingredients, put them in a blender and blend to a fine paste. Put in a suitably sized jar and refrigerate until you need it. That's not too hard, is it? When you're ready to cook, put the pasta in a bowl of salted boiling water and cook as per the instructions on the packet. Next, we poach the salmon. To do this, add the salmon to a pan of cold water. Put the pan over the heat and just bring up to a gentle simmer. Then turn the heat off and remove the pan from the stove and allow the salmon to cook in the residual heat. This should take about 5 minutes. Then remove the salmon from the water and flake into pieces and reserve. Next, we heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Add the chopped onion and saute off for a minute or two until they just start to take some colour. When this is done, add 2 tablespoons of the prepared pesto to the pan, mix through and fry off for a minute or two. Then it's time to drain and add the pasta. And again, mix in properly. Then lastly, it's time to add the flaked salmon in, and again mix through. Continue to cook until it's nice and piping hot, then serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now.